Hello friends, today we are going to do the chapter Water, O Water, written by Shri Prasad over here. Okay, so we will do Water by Water. I will wash my face with water, said Munna to his Nani. We all quench our thirst with water. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill many pages. So, this poem is about water. How does water exist on earth? What do we do with water? And how life is absolutely impossible without water. So there is this boy Munna who is talking to his Nani and says, I will wash my face with water. We all quench our thirst with water. Whenever we feel thirsty, we drink water. We are all alive because of water. हम लोग सब जिंदा है पानी के चलते. Water has been with us for ages. वाटर हमारे संग बहुत ही टाइम से है, thousands and thousands of years से है. इट्स स्टोरी कैन फिल सो मैनी पेजेस. और अगर हम इसकी स्टोरी लिखने जाएं तो इतनी लंबी स्टोरी है इसकी कि वो पेज के बाद पेज फिल करता जाएगा. सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट वाटर and water has helped us to be alive on earth. It helps us to quench our thirst, satisfy our urge for water whenever we are thirsty. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what says my Nani. So, water somewhere it is in the form of dew. ड्यू होता है स्मॉल ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वाटर जो कि हम लोग अर्ली मॉर्निंग विंटर के अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ग्रास और लीव्स के ऊपर देखते हैं. समवेयर इट इज स्नो, कहीं कहीं ये बर्फ के जैसा है. स्टीम इज ऑल्सो वाटर एज यू नो. स्टीम क्या होता है? जब हम गैस पे पानी उबालते हैं तो उसके ऊपर एक भाप या धुआं सा आप देखते होंगे. वो धुआं या भाप स्टीम होता है. तो कहीं कहीं वाटर ड्यू के फॉर्म में है, कहीं कहीं स्नो है, तो कहीं पे स्टीम है. वाटर हैज़ फॉर्म्स सो मैनी. तो वाटर बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स में हमें देखने को मिलता है. दैट इज़ वॉट सेज माई नानी. और यही बात मेरी नानी कहती है. सो चिल्ड्रन, we can see water somewhere in the form of dew and somewhere we can see it in the form of snow. Sometimes water is seen in the form of steam. So water has many forms. वो बहुत सारे forms में होता है. Let's see if you can recall some other form. Like water can be seen in the form of hailstorms also. Hailstones जो छोटे छोटे ईंटों की तरह जब वो बर्फ़ गिरते हैं ना, उन्हें कहते हैं हेल स्टोन्स. और कभी कभी वो रिवर में पानी की तरह बहता है, कभी कभी ग्लेशियर की तरह फ्लोट करता है. कहीं कहीं बहुत बर्फ़बारी होती है किसी किसी जगह पे, जैसे अमेरिका, कनाडा, तो वहाँ पे वाटर हमें स्नो के फॉर्म में मिलता है. The river flow, the waterfalls sing and water swells in lakes and spring. तो हमें वाटर और कहाँ कहाँ मिलता है? रिवर में जो कि फ्लो करता है. वाटरफॉल, व्हाट इज़ वाटरफॉल? जब पानी कुछ ऊंचाई से गिरता है जैसे कि हिल्स या माउंटेन से, तो उसे हम कहते हैं वाटरफॉल. तो ऐसा लगता है जब पानी गिरता है, ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि वो उसकी आवाज़ ऐसी लगती है पानी गिरने की जैसे कि वो गाना गा रहा है. और वाटर लेक्स और स्प्रिंग्स में पाए जाते हैं. सो वाटर कैन बी फाउंड in the river, in the waterfalls, in the lakes and springs. Life on earth it has brought watered fields and life they got. But when the water breaks in floods, great misfortune it always works. So it has brought life on earth. धरती पे जिंदगी वाटर ही दिया है. अगर पानी ना हो तो इस धरती पे जिंदगी हो ही नहीं सकती. वाटर्ड फील्ड्स, फील्ड्स क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पे क्रॉप्स उगाए जाते हैं और वो क्रॉप से हमें खाने को मिलता है। अगर पानी ना हो तो हम फील्ड्स को वाटर नहीं कर पाएंगे, और अगर वाटर ना कर पाए तो वो फील्ड्स सूख जाएंगे और हमें खाने को नहीं मिलेगा। So, life on earth, it has brought watered fields and life they got, कि इस धरती पे पानी ही जिंदगी लाया है, और अगर हम फील्ड्स को पानी ना दें तो वो क्रॉप्स सूख जाएंगे, मर जाएंगे, और जब हमें पानी देते हैं तो उन्हें ज़िंदगी मिलती है, जिससे कि हम खाना खाते हैं और हम खुद भी ज़िंदा रहते हैं। बट वेन द वाटर ब्रेक्स इन फ्लड, ग्रेट मिसफॉर्च्यून इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स। फ्लड क्या होता है? फ्लड का मतलब होता है बाढ़। जब बाढ़ आ जाती है ना, पानी चारों तरफ फैल जाता है और सब चीज़ आस पास और अपने रास्ते में जितनी चीज़ें आती हैं उन सबको डुबा देता है। पशु पक्षी लोग काफ़ी मर जाते हैं और काफ़ी नुकसान होता है, और उस समय बहुत मिसफॉर्च्यून ये लेकर आता है। मिसफॉर्च्यून मतलब तकलीफ, दुख। तो फ्लड आना तो अच्छी बात नहीं है, बहुत सारे लाइव्स लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं। तो जब वाटर गलत तरीके से काम करता है तो बहुत तकलीफ़ें अपने संग लेकर आता है। सो दिस स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट वाटर। वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विद वाटर। We wash our face with water. We quench our thirst with water. We are also alive because of water. Water is found in many forms like dew, snow, steam, river water, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. And on earth, life is possible only because of water. With the help of water, we water the fields where crops are grown. But when water breaks its boundaries and wreaks havoc, when there is floods, there's lots and lots of water all around, and people and animals lose their life. That is when water brings misfortune to us. Okay, children, now let's do the exercise of this poem. Do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find water? Let's see which are the various places. The places where we can find water are rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. Okay? Lakes and springs. Lakes and springs. Okay? टिक द एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर विच वाटर इज़ नीडेड। तो हमें उस एक्टिविटीज़ के सामने टिक करना है जिसके लिए हमें पानी की ज़रूरत होती है। सो लेट्स सी विच आर द वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर विच वी नीड वाटर। टू प्ले, नो वी डू नॉट नीड वाटर टू प्ले। टू सिंग, नो। To row a boat, yes, we need water to row a boat, so we put a tick mark over here. Okay? To write, no, we do not need water to write. To make tea, yes, we need water to make tea. To knead dough, yes, we need water to knead dough. डो मतलब आटा गूंदना, तो उसके लिए हमें पानी चाहिए होता है। टू रन अ फैन, नो। टू पेंट पिक्चर्स, यस, जब हम पेंटिंग करते हैं तो हमें पानी चाहिए होता है। टू ग्रो प्लांट्स, प्लांट्स उगाने के लिए तो वाटर बहुत ज़रूरी है। ओके? नेम एनी 4 एक्टिविटीज़ विच यू कैन डू विदाउट वाटर। प्लेइंग, studying, running, jumping. Okay? Name any 4 activities that you cannot do without water. What are the 4 activities that we cannot do without water? Watering plants, cooking, bathing, and washing. Okay? Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. So we have to arrange these activities in accordance with the amount of water needed for these activities. जिसके लिए जिस एक्टिविटी के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए वो हमें पहले बताना है, फिर उससे कम. तो चलो देखते हैं. The first activity is to water the fields. Second activity is to clean the house. The third activity is to bath. Fourth, to drink. And the fifth activity is to net the dough. तो ये इन कामों के लिए हमें पानी चाहिए होता है और सबसे ज़्यादा पानी हमें चाहिए होता है अपनी फील्ड को वाटर करने के लिए. और इन सब एक्टिविटीज़ में सबसे कम पानी हमें आटा गूंदने के लिए चाहिए होता है. Okay, in the poem, you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put around those places that are either in your house or around it. Okay, so let's see. Hey, have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Near the spring. Okay? So, over here, lake is found near our house. Well is also found near our. So, in the poem, you read about rivers, waterfall, lakes, and springs. So, from where do we get water in and around our house? The places that from where we get water in and around our house is lake, well, tube well, pond. Waterfall is not found near our house. Hand pump. River is not always present near our house. Neither is stream. Tap. Okay? Tap. Tank. Sea is not present near our house or hot water spring. Okay? So the places present near our houses from which we get water are lake, well, tube well, pond, hand pump, tap, and tank. Okay? Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Near the springs. Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. So you can go through, if you are living in some particular city and particular rivers or some kind of water body flow through your city, you can write the name. Do you know the name of any river? Write their names. Yes, river Ganga or Ganges and river Ravi. At home, where do you get drinking water from? We get it from the taps. Do you have to go far to get water? How much time does it take to bring the water? No, we do not have to go far. But sometimes in villages, people really have to go far. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? Yes. Why do we need to store water? So that we can use it in future when there is no water. Who fetches and stores water in your house? Our mother and father. Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? No. Color the picture of those containers which you use for storing water. So you have to color the picture of those containers for which you use for storing the water. We use a bucket for storing a water. We use this big can also to store the water. Sometimes we use these pots also to store the water. So which are the various utensils that we use to store water? Bucket, this big can, pot, and this pot. Okay, now let's do the other activity. Chutki is confused. Hiren and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers over here. But Chutki wanted a drink only in the glass tumbler over here. Her uncle poured the panna into the glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna. What do you feel? Did Chutki's glass tumbler have less panna?" तो क्या लगता है, हीरेन और छुटकी को दोनों को आम पन्ना दिया गया, लेकिन छुटकी कह रही है क्योंकि ये ग्लास छोटा लग रहा है इससे, तो क्या उसके ग्लास टम्बलर में कम है? नहीं, द अमाउंट रिमेन्स द सेम, ओनली द साइज और द शेप ऑफ द ग्लास चेंजेस. तो दोनों में सेम अमाउंट है. ओके. Given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find 7 of them and put a circle around each. One has already been done for you. So water can be found at a waterfall. Over here, waterfall is marked. Well, over here, waterfall has already been done for you. Lake, over here. Sea, here. Rain, here. Pond, tap, and also well. Okay. So these are the various places where water can be found. In every row, put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. Okay, so you have to find the odd one out. तो आप लोगों को इसमें से वो खोजना है जो कि ऑड वन आउट है, और आपको रीज़न भी देना है. तो लेट्स डू नंबर 1. ओके. रिवर, माउंटेन, लेक, पॉन्ड, स्प्रिंग. So the answer over here is the mountain. Why? Because all are water bodies except mountain. Number 2, bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading dough. So answer would be combing hair over here. Why? All other activities require water except combing hair. Number 3, fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, and tortoise. The answer over here is monkey. All the animals live in water except monkey. All the animals live in water except monkey, which lives on tree. Number 4, car, boat, bus, train, and bicycle. The odd one out over here is the boat. Why? Because all the other are the means of transport on land. Only boat uses water as the means of transport. Okay? Now let's do some question and answer of this chapter. Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we can find water? River, waterfall, spring, and lake. Question number 2. From where do you get water? Lake. Answer is lake, tube well, pond, tap, and tank. Question number 3. Do you know the names of some rivers? Write their names. Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi, Beas, and Narmada. At home, where do we get drinking water from? At home, we get drinking water from taps through the pipelines. Why do we need to store water? Water needs to be stored because water might not be supplied throughout the day. Now let's do some true or false. We cannot live without water. True. Very less rainfall causes flood. False. Water in nature is found in 3 forms: Solid, liquid, and gas. Yes, true. We cannot quench our thirst by just drinking water. False. Bucket should not be used to store water. False. Now let's do fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are solid forms of water. Ice and snow are solid forms of water. The swan is an animal which lives in water. We can get water in our house by opening the tap. Dash is an animal which lives only in water. Fish is the animal which lives only in water. One word answer. Now this is the mock test. Now because you have understood the chapter very clearly, let's see if you can answer the questions. One word answer. This is the story of dash. What do we do with water? What are the various forms of water? What are the three states of water? What has water done for us on earth? When does water become a misfortune? So this is the mock test. I hope you people have really guessed the answer. Let's see. Let's check out the answer. The answer to question number 1 is water. Question number 2, what do we do with water? We quench our thirst with water. What are the various forms of water? The various forms of water are dew, snow, steam, waterfall, and rainfall. What are the three states of water? The three states of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Remember, children, we see ice cubes like this in the refrigerator. This is the solid form of water. And we pour water in our glass and drink it. This is the liquid form of water. And which one is the gaseous form of water? When our mother puts some water on the gas and light a fire below it, some kind of steam starts rising from the pot. Okay, this steam is the gaseous form of water. Okay, what has water done for us on earth? Water has kept us alive on earth. When does water become a misfortune? When the water breaks into flood, it becomes a misfortune. So, we have come to an end of this poem. If you go through this video 2 or 3 more times, you will totally and absolutely, you will be well versed with this poem. So, if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much everyone. See you in the next video.